Threadless.io.
Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is a Shein try-on haul. So all this clothes I got is from my birthday, which was December 8th. Yes, I know this kind of video is a little late, better late than never. That's what I say. So I'm really excited to show you guys what the outfits I tried on so far, because it's all the outfits I got is I have pinned to my Pinterest board, but I got for my birthday from my mom, my brothers and sister, and my other brother. So we're gonna go ahead and try them all on, try to make them into a whole outfit. I paired some of the pieces that I thought that will go together great with these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit this bell. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And let's get into this video. Okay, first up is outfit number 1. Is where a kind of like a off brown, like a light brown, but not too dark of light brown, and like kind of like a nice golden brown. So I got golden flannel, like golden brown flannel. Then I got a black crop top. And what else would I paired it with? Golden faux leather bell bottoms pants. I'm so excited because I love bell bottoms. You guys don't know, understand. I am like obsessed with golden bell bottoms because I really like bell bottoms. This day I ever found out about, because bell bottoms to me is like life. So I was so excited when I got those bell bottoms, and I'm so excited that I tried them on with the outfit, because I also paired it with my my flower. Let me get this one. I paired it with this flower beautiful necklace that I also got for my birthday, and also I got the purse is also for my birthday, but I paired it also with a yin and yang purse that I also got for my birthday, which is also on Shein, so go check them out. And now I also paired it with the one bracelet that goes with the flower out. Yeah, I think I could pair it with this. I paired it with, can you let me have my thing, please? Well, I'm gonna show you guys. But I also paired it with this bracelet right here. This it's kind of like a tennis bracelet. I think that's what it's called. It's like a tennis bracelet, and I also paired with the butterfly necklace with the yin and yang purse, and that outfit was beautiful because the way it hit, because it was everything I had pinned on my Pinterest, had liked, and also one like kind of combined together, because it's kind of like a mixture of my fashions with my sister's fashions, because she loves flannels. Me, I am like a flannel person, but not that much. I like big chunky squares. If not, then I would like flat flannels, but not like small checkerboard flannels, because that kind of like felt icky to me. But when my mom put it on me, it looked nice on me, so like I don't know why I don't like them. That's neither here or there. But next outfit is my denim jean jacket with my two top that I got from Shein, and also paired it with the black ripped denim jeans from Shein. And I paired also my my cute what's it graffiti tennis shoes, which is also beautiful, because the whole outfit was perfect together, because it was like, oh, what else I paired it? I paired it with a necklace. Oh, I also paired it with this big chunky necklace to match with the chains that was on the shirt, because I wanted the chains to be on my neck, well, the chains on the strap. Okay guys, I'm back, and now I was talking about outfit number 2. Yeah, outfit number 2 was paired with a ponytail denim jean jacket with like cute little embroidered rose right here, and like a cute Chanel name in the back. Yeah, cause Chanel, I actually did that myself. Thank you, because then Chanel looks cute. But I paired with this bracelet. Well, I paired with this necklace, not bracelet, and I also paired with the bracelet that goes with this, which you seen on the other thing where I had the bracelet. I kind of really like that outfit because it was like beautiful. It was like a little risque, but not too risky. Like, I'm still in the age of my realm. Because when I pair it with my denim jacket that I have been had in my room, my closet, it looks so beautiful. It's like, wow. It's like tie the whole outfit together, because it's kind of like you're kind of like, I'm mature but still kiddish, but it's still like I'm teeter totter on the line of maturity and skin showing a little bit. But I like it. Oh, but I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you guys my makeup. Let's take a quick moment to admire this beautiful glow of my makeup, because like, girl, look at this. My lip gloss is done, my eyes is done. It's like shining. What? I keep having this stuff on my face, but oh, even my edges are laid. My edges are laid, even though my hair is kind of coming up. My hair doesn't like to be in the bun. It's like to be wild and crazy, so I'm like, I'll let it go. But it's all slicked up in the bun before. Now, oh, also paired, got to tell you guys, for the first two items, I paired it with a ponytail. But right now my hair is in bun. For my last two items, well, last three items, I put it up in bun. You can put it in a bun, you can put it in like a braid ponytail, you can have it like your hair down, or you can have it like into two buns or two pigtails. I like pigtails. I like pigtails person too. I'm more of a kiddish person, like you know, I'm kiddish. Also, let's take a moment too to admire this beautiful background. Like, I have these doors on my closet, but then we decided to keep right here because I don't want to get rid of them just yet, because I'm like, they still go great with my theme, my room too, so we have put them right here too. But you'll hear more of that from my original idea, so let's not get off topic. But let's take a quick break because I'm gonna go eat real quick, because you girls are hungry. She did all that work of trying on clothes, taking them off, pairing with it. Let's poncho. It's like a little cute cover up, like I don't know what the name is. If you know the name of the cuties, comment down below what the name is, because your girl, her mind's kind of so, she's like, I don't know what that is, but it's a cute little cover up. I know it feels like a cover up, but not really cover up. It's like a blazer, but lighter than a blazer. Then it's like a cover up, but not a cover up where it's like see-through and stuff. So it's like kind of like that, but it's for winter. So yeah, I like that. And I paired it with my my Walmart crop top, which is white with the like kind of like the what is it, wool feel. So I paired with that and my black jeans before my previous outfit, second outfit, were the black jeans, black ripped jeans. I paired with that, and I also paired it with my combat boots, which I also paired my combat boots with my my first outfit, which I paired with my third outfit with the combat boots. I really like combat boots. Like, if you see my Pinterest right now, it has a bunch of combat boots in the dresses and the outfits that they wear. I love combat boots. I don't know why. I just like them. Does that make any sense? Pair that. And also what I paired with. Oh, I paired with these. I paired with that bracelet I had for my first outfit. And I paired with this necklace right here. I paired with this necklace. And I had my hair up in a bun like I have right now. With my edges laid too, still good, girl. I had that paired with that. And I was like, that's kind of cute, because I'm like, look at her, like, look how she is beautiful, ain't she? Don't she? My lip gloss is still there, even though I got it faked. I'm doing good. I'm getting better with my makeup. Oh, comment down below, guys, if you guys want me to do my makeup, like another makeup tutorial. I would do that, cause your girl, even she hasn't been doing makeup recently, she still got it. She still got it. Still got it. But that was outfit number 3. And outfit number 4 is a beautiful pajamas, white checkered set, which I paired it with this cute Sagittarius necklace, which I got for my birthday as well. And I also paired it with what's that white, this, oh, I'm wearing still. I paired it with this cute bracelet, which you probably couldn't see, but I paired it with this bracelet. I paired with this bracelet, and it looks so cute. It's like, from the feel of the clothes, like I can tell you right now, from the the outfit next I'm about to show you guys, and the outfit I'm wearing of the check right here, and also the outfit from where I was wearing the bell-bottom pants, they're all so comfy. Like, what I'm feeling like I'm being hugged by covers by a warm teddy bear. But I really like the outfit because I was paired with this one, and it looks so cute, like so fab. And also, guys, go check out my Instagram right now to see the pictures where I have just pictures instead of just, you want to see the whole 360. Here you can see the pictures of me. Check out my Instagram. Please go follow my Instagram, my Twitter, my TikTok, my YouTube channel. Also, go ahead, stop right now, stop watching this video and go check it out. Thank you. But next outfit, number 5, and that's the final outfit of the day, is my beautiful gray robe, gray crop top, gray pants, pajama set with beautiful comfy unicorn slippers. It is like so cute and warm, cozy. I really like that. Oh, I also paired that outfit with this necklace I'm wearing, my 2004. That's the year I was born. Yeah, 2004. I was born that year. Of my 2004 necklace, and also what I paired it with. I paired it with the same bracelet as this one, because I didn't want to take the bracelet off. It looks so cute on me. So I paired with that bracelet, this necklace, and also paired it. I also paired with cute warm fuzzy socks, same as the other ones I have from my previous pajama set that I just seen. I paired with gray and white socks, which was so comfy, by the way, my friend. If you want those kind of socks, I'll tell you where you get it from. Go to Dollar Tree, your local Dollar Tree, and go to the section where they have those little clothes and have the purses, and then I think sometimes they pair with I think the family care products. And go over there and they have those socks right there. They still have it in wintertime. They even have some in Valentine's stuff too. So you better go ahead and check that out before they're all gone. Just saying. But you can also pair that one outfit. I also paired that outfit of my red shirt with my lips purse. I forgot to say the lips purse. Your girl blank now. For my outfit for my outfit number 2, where I paired in with my lips back, which was also from Shein. I keep butchering up names. I'm butchering names all the time, but you can also go check that out right now. Go off the video and go check that out because that was beautiful. I like that purse because that purse is like life. It gives life to my outfits. But that was it for my outfits. Oh, I paired it with this cute little slippers too, the unicorn slippers. Well, it actually came from Shein, but when I put those slippers on, it was super warm. It's like I'm like walking on clouds. I really like, out of all my outfits, I really like the first one. I like all my outfits. I like none of them. I like them all. Like, I can't say I like this one better than that one. I like that one than that one. No, I like them all because they all was like me in different situations. Like the first one was me being like kind of like girly but not tomboy but not too much of tomboy or girly. It's a just right mixture of between both. And also like kind of like if it's like a chill day, not chill day, but like if I'm like I want to throw on something quick and walk out the door, that's my outfit. Then the second one was my like little bit mature but kid friendly and also kind of like girly, super girly outfit. That was me because sometimes I want to be super girly, then tomboyish, then I want to be mature but not too mature, then I want to be like looking fashionable. That's all my outfits combined. And my second outfit is what I paired it with like a cute little kind of like a winter cover up. I don't know what the name is. I might have, hold on. Let me check what the name is before I start telling you guys something wrong, because y'all will come for me in the comments. I'm just new to this little bit. But I really like the outfits. I really like all my outfits. But if you guys enjoy the outfits, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if you like all my outfits. And don't forget to go check out my Instagram where I post pictures of it. And don't forget to follow my Twitter, my TikTok, and my YouTube channel. right down there. Go hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. Don't forget to subscribe to all these other cute channels I have at the end of my screen. To go subscribe to my family channel, my sister's channel, my brother's channel, my other brother's channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye kids. Cutie out. Stay fabulous. Like me.